Okay guys, so today I'm gonna work on the 350 again. I'm trying to finish the tune. I'm almost done. I got it to make more boost, and I'm gonna show you guys a couple of things that need to be fixed, added, or bought for this kit. So not a lot of people really ask questions, but I'm just gonna check the comments on the older videos and get some questions from there and try to show you guys from there. Only one person asked questions in my last video, but again, there's not many views on it either. So I'm just gonna show you guys what you're gonna need for this turbo kit and do some pulls at the end of the video to show you guys how it feels, or give you guys an idea what to expect on this kit with like 5 to 10 pounds of boost. So yeah, let me show you guys a couple things. Okay, first you're gonna need more of this. Not that many. These are okay, they kind of work, but and then also one of these, because I don't know, on this side, this step down right here, this pipe or whatever this is, this black part right here, it doesn't come in the kit, so you're gonna need one of these, two actually, one for each side. And these things, they're okay, but you might need different sizes that are not in the kit. And you're also gonna need more of these vacuum hoses. So there's that. And to not make a hole in your engine block, you get an oil pan spacer for the return line. So you're gonna need that, and also a better hose actually, because the one that came with it didn't reach. For the oil feed, that one's easy, it's right here. I'll show you guys on the first video. And the main thing you're gonna need that you should get is these things right here. All of them. Just when you get the kit, see what size they are and replace them with something better, because over here, as I was telling you guys, this bottom part right here, it's already hitting the exhaust pipe, so it's not putting enough pressure to bring them both together, because doesn't matter how tight you make it, it's already hitting the bottom, so it's not pulling them closer anymore. So something better for that. And after that, what else? Let me see. Oh, to put it on, it's gonna be really difficult. Like I said already, everything's in here, man. This pipe over here, over there, it's good. Just right here, especially with those clamps. And right here for the steering rack, we hit it. This part right here, right there, we hit it to make it flatter to fit. We loosen this off to make more room. We lower the whole subframe a little bit to get the pipes through there. And let me show you guys on top what else you're gonna need. If I'm forgetting something, or if you guys got questions, just ask me in the comments and I'll show you guys. Okay, so up here, like I said, more hoses, vacuum hoses, and piping. For some reason over here, I don't remember that part actually, but yeah, you might need something for the back. It's getting windy, so sorry about that. Okay, so on the engine bay, you're gonna need vacuum hoses, again, slim fans, and see if you can fit a fan shroud in there, because you don't want to overheat. And also we actually got to keep the AC so close though, so I don't know how well that's gonna work. We added one of the O2 sensors right there because in the bottom it didn't fit. We relocated it a little bit higher. That shit's so close right there, everything barely fits. There's a turbo. Could probably make a hole right here. So I think that's pretty much it. We got to keep the AC. I don't know, guys, just ask me anything you want to know. Okay guys, so right now I'm adding a tune on it. I've been working on it for a while. So I'm gonna get the idle done now, the high RPMs, I got them done. Just found out that I had a leak, and that's why I couldn't get the idle done. So fix that and hopefully I can get the idle done. Okay guys, we're gonna do one pull only because the car doesn't have license plates or anything. So right now this is just a little test of how it feels. So later on I'll do another update / review to show you guys how it's been and if the turbo kit has damaged the engine or anything. But as of right now, everything seems okay, nothing wrong with the engine. So for now the car is good. So just do a little pull right now, and then that'll probably be it for this video, guys. Okay, let's go and do one little pull and drive around and see how it feels.